Welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be making a sourdough focaccia. I'm going to be getting it out of this book. I've wanted this book for a long time. I got it for Christmas. It's Lisa Bass from Farmhouse on Boone. If you don't know, she's got a YouTube channel, Instagram, a website, and she's really known for her sourdough. And this book, especially if you're a new to sourdough, she explains it all, how to make it, and there's lots of recipes in here. But we're going to make her focaccia. And if you don't have sourdough, there is focaccia with yeast, and there's plenty of recipes to look up for that. But I'm going to make this one. This is rosemary focaccia, but I'm going to have a little bit different seasonings on it. And also in her book, she has it using your mixer dough hook. But like I said, in a lot of her recipes lately, she's done the stretch and folds and all, and that just seems easier to me than trying to do it in the mixer and all. And it's a little bit more time consuming, but really it's a lot of hands off. So I'm going to do it that way, but I will link this recipe. She's got it on her website. I'll link that down below. I'll link her video for her focaccia down below. Okay, the first thing I done was got my starter out and fed it and let it set most of the day till it got active and bubbly. Then in a bowl, I put 1.5 cups of water, warm water, 1 cup of the starter that was active, mix that up. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey. Then 1/2 cup of olive oil, 4 cups of flour, and 2 teaspoons of salt. And then I mixed that till it was a shaggy dough. And you'll want to get all the flour off the sides. I left it with some flour on the side, but you'll want to get that all mixed in. You just need a shaggy dough. It'll all absorb after the stretch and folds. Then I covered that and I let that set for 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, I started my stretch and folds. You just pull up from the sides of your dough and fold over. Then cover that up, wait another 30 minutes and do it again. You'll do this 4 times between 4 hours, or 2 hours, sorry. Then you'll let this set overnight for about 8 hours covered. I was going to need to do something the next day, and it was going to be longer than 8 hours, so I put mine in the refrigerator after my stretch and folds. You can do that. You can let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple days even. You just want to get it out, let it sit on the counter for a couple hours to get it up warm room temperature. But if you don't do that, you let it sit for 8 hours. Then you take a pan and add some olive oil, probably around 1/4 cup or so. And then you press your dough out into the pan. It doesn't matter if it fills it up. It will relax, and when you go to spread it out, it will spread out. Then you'll cover your pan and let it set in a warm place for 2 to 4 hours. I always put mine in the oven with the light on, and it seems to do really good. Next, you'll get your pan out, uncover it, put some olive oil, drizzle some olive oil on top. Then you'll take your fingers and dimple it and just spread it out. And this is the fun part. You can put whatever you like on top. I made a garlic sauce or garlic oil from Laura in the Kitchen, Laura Vitale. You take about 6 cloves of garlic, some parsley. I didn't have no fresh parsley, that would be better. I had dried parsley and I put about a tablespoon, and just put oil in a chopper, blender, and blend it up, and just keep adding oil if you need to for just like a sauce you can put over top of it. I sprinkled salt on top of my focaccia dough, then added the garlic oil, and then now she adds Parmesan cheese to her garlic oil too, but I didn't do that because I was adding mozzarella cheese on top. You could do both. I'm sure it'd be good too, but some people put tomatoes, some people decorate their focaccia, make a little flowers and stuff with different vegetables and all, and they're really pretty. I just put the garlic oil on for today. But I added the mozzarella, and then I baked it in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. And you want your golden brown like. And I checked the temperature around 195 to 200 for bread, and it comes out good. Here it is out of the oven. We'll plate it up and give it a try. Okay, here it is cut up. Some pieces off. Daniel, Doug, give it a try.
Okay.
Really good.
That is good.
Really good.
Okay. All right. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day, and come back and see us.
Holmans Homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Holmans Homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holmans Homestead. Goats calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky, seasons change, but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Holmans Homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holmans Homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Holmans Homestead.